everyone. Today we are zooming in one of the key players in the globalized world, multinational corporations or MNCs. What are MNCs? MNCs are companies that operate in multiple countries with headquarters in one country and subsidiaries or branches in others. They often have complex organizational structure with production, marketing, and research and development activities spread across the globe. Think of them as global powerhouses with the ability to produce goods and services on a massive scale, market and distribute their products to a worldwide audience, invest in research and development to create innovative products and technologies, influence government policies, and shape global economic trends. The rise of MNCs. MNCs have become increasingly dominant in the global economy in recent decades. This is due to several factors, including globalization. The increasing integration of economy has made it easier for MNCs to operate across borders and expand their reach. Technological advancements. Advances in transportation, communication, and information technology have lowered the cost of doing business globally and enabled MNCs to coordinate their operations more efficiently. Liberalization of trade and investment. The removal of barriers to trade and investment has created a more favorable environment for MNCs to operate and expand. The impact of MNCs. The impact of MNCs on the global economy is both significant and complex. They can be both a force for good and a source of controversy. Positive impacts. Economic growth. MNCs can bring jobs, investment, and technology to developing countries, contributing to economic growth and poverty reduction. Innovation. MNCs often invest heavily in research and development, leading to the creation of new products and technologies that can benefit consumers around the world. Efficiency. MNCs can often achieve greater efficiency through economies of scale and by sourcing materials and labor from the most cost-effective locations. Negative impacts. Job losses. MNCs can sometimes relocate jobs from developed countries to developing countries with lower labor cost, leading to job losses and economic dislocation in their home countries. Exploitation. Some MNCs have been accused of exploiting workers in developing countries by paying low wages and providing poor working conditions. Environmental damage. MNCs can sometimes contribute to environmental degradation through their operations, particularly in extractive industries like mining and oil drilling. Political influence. MNCs can wield significant political influence, sometimes using their economic power to shape government policies in ways that benefit their interests. The future of MNCs. The role of MNCs in the global economy is likely to continue to grow in the coming years. As technology advances and global integration deepens, MNCs will become even more powerful and influential. The challenge for governments and civil society is to find ways to harness the benefits of MNCs while mitigating their negative impacts. This will require a combination of regulation, corporate social responsibility initiatives, and international cooperation. Next time, in our next lecture, we will examine the backlash against globalization, exploring the rise of populist and nationalist movements that have challenged the prevailing global economic order. We will delve into the reasons behind this backlash and its implications for the future of globalization.